Hi everybody, this is my little baby Zoa, and we are here, not actually in Goa, but on our sets in Hyderabad, and unfortunately we are not there to watch a wonderful film which is coming called Bhag Johnny with Kunal Kemu, directed by Shivam Nair, and here's wishing her the best. It's releasing on the 25th of September, this Friday, that means 2 days from now. If you see it today, if you see it tomorrow, then 1 day from now. But please do go and see it. It's going to be fun. It's a fun ride, and Zoa's going to rock in it. And so is Kunal, and so is Shivam, and everybody, all the other actors, the producers. I wish them all the best, and have a great one. Bhag Johnny.
I just want to thank Shahrukh sir so much.
He calls me sir, which is strange, but yeah. Okay.
No, I can't call him anything else.
All the best.
Thank you, sir.
Hey guys, so I'm here to wish Zoa Murani all the best for Bhag Johnny. But before that, I want to ask her a very important question. कि पिक्चर का नाम भाग जॉनी क्यों है? जॉनी आपसे भाग रहा क्यों है?
जॉनी मुझसे नहीं भाग रहा, जॉनी मुझे लेकर भाग रहा है।
तो आपने किया क्या है?
मैंने तो कुछ नहीं किया है, उसने कुछ किया है। और लेकिन वो मेरी जान बचाना चाहता है, तो इसलिए हाथ पकड़ के वो मुझे ले जा रहा है और हम भागते भागते लोगों से बच रहे हैं। लेकिन दो कहानियां हैं। एक कहानी में एक कहानी में वो मुझे शुरुआत में मार देता है, दूसरी कहानी में वो मुझे बचाता है।
Okay, so I think all the boyfriends should take their girlfriend's hands and run to the theatre on 25th. So that you all can see Bhag Johnny together. I'm definitely going to go. I'm going to go and try and get some free tickets from Zoa, hopefully. And I love all the songs of the film. So best of luck to Shivam, to Kunal, to Zoa for Bhag Johnny, which is releasing on the 25th. So you better be there, guys, and watch Bhag Johnny. I remember one very funny story of how when I wanted to do some dance training, and she said she's doing Bharatnatyam, and she took me for a Kathak, and she took me for a Kathak class where one teacher has done some mudra, and I ran away from there.
No, you didn't run away.
I got a little scandalized.
Yeah, he got a little scandalized, but so sweet. He came with me for my Kathak class. I still remember.
And he still dances like that.
And these are the moves we are doing in Dilwale as well.
Everybody keep watching Bhag Johnny, Bhag Johnny, Bhag Johnny.
25th.